Evening is Christmas Eve, and it's also a weather alert. Reason being, we may see some strong to severe thunderstorms rolling through ahead of and along a cold front. We're going to say 5 p.m. to 10 p.m., although I'm going to show you a computer model that actually brings the storms in a little bit later and lingers them past midnight. Eastern Hill Country, I-35 corridor, Highway 77 are the most likely areas to potentially see storms. Hail up to quarter size, winds up to about 60 miles per hour possible. And though I do not expect a big issue with tornadoes, there is a very slender area of our eastern sections of Fayette County that is included in a low 2% tornado threat. So when we break it down, the biggest things I'm worried about are isolated hail and wind. Let's talk about the Christmas weekend or Christmas holiday in general. Tomorrow we're soar to 76 degrees. The cold front comes through with those storms. Wednesday we're in between storms, a little cooler, still above the average of 62. 68 degrees your high temperature. Thursday 73, we are back at it with another round of storms. Thursday's storms might actually be a little earlier in the day, more like midday to early afternoon the way things are looking, and even maybe some of those could be on the strong side. Outside right now it's warm, it's muggy. We made it to 78 degrees earlier. We're at 67 degrees, still warmer than a typical afternoon high this time of year. 57 Llanos, 66 at the airport, 67 degrees in LaGrange. Warm Gulf of Mexico moisture ushering in a lot of muggy air. That humidity will meet up with the cold front. Right now there's some showers that are non-severe with it, but by the time it reaches us tomorrow, that could change. And cooler temperatures are well off to the north. So when you wake up in the morning, it is going to be balmy, around 63 degrees, lots of cloud cover in place. Here's how this latest computer model is bringing the storms in a little bit later. We're looking at noon, 72 degrees. Afternoon temperatures soaring into the 70s, still waiting for storms. Here the storms are. This could be as late as around 9 o'clock or so. Should this computer model verify, I'll show you another one that's a little earlier with the storms. Those move by the boards out of LaGrange by about 1:30 in the morning, meaning we're still looking great for Christmas Day. Should this materialize, we'll see the heaviest rainfall totals to the east of I-35. Computer model number 2. This one's still bringing the storms in and the front in a little bit earlier. This would coincide with around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening through the I-35 corridor, then progressing to the east about 9 p.m. and moving out of the area after that. So either scenario means tomorrow evening you need to have a way to get watches, warnings, or advisories. We'll bring you all the latest here on CBS Austin as well. You can check in on our app and on social media with that severe thunderstorm threat. Christmas Day looking great. More storms Thursday. Friday looking fine. Maybe a couple of more storms. Not another question on Saturday before we dry out Sunday and Monday.